Hey guys, for today's video is how to view a private Instagram account. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So basically, if you want to look at somebody's Instagram account and you're not their friend and their profile is private, there's really no way to look at their account. However, there is a way around it. If you look this up along, a lot of people will say that there are third-party apps that allow this capability. They say something like Instagram++, or any of the other third-party apps that claim to be able to get you into a private account. However, by downloading this, you just need to know that you're putting your information into the hands of somebody who don't know, somebody who's not Instagram and helps on with those standards. So there's a chance that your account will be hacked. Your information will be taken, or the Instagram will find out you have these third-party apps and just kick you out of Instagram completely. So just be aware of that when you want to do it. So the only way to actually look at somebody's account who has private account and you don't follow them and you don't want to follow them, you can go ahead and create a brand new account. So if I go to my profile at the bottom right, then I click on my name on the top, and if you see right there, add account, then you can create new account. So I can create a whole brand new Instagram account. Once you go through this process of setting up a new account, you'll be able to add those private accounts without them actually knowing it to you who's adding them. So go ahead and do that now. So once you've created your account, you'll be able to operate it like it's a brand new Instagram account. People won't know that it's yours. So I would recommend adding new photos to it so it doesn't look like this. And just plain account. But from there, you can go ahead and add those private people so they don't know who you are, but you can still have your own account and a fake account. So you can operate under the guise of a random person. You can click on your profile and you can go through to switch back and forth. So then you can use your own Instagram account. But you can also click on the other name and then go to that brand new Instagram account and still be able to look at the people that you added, so they won't ever know it's you unless you made that profile pretty well known that it is your secondary profile. But if you don't, you keep it pretty private like this and they won't know. That is all we have for you today. So if you guys have any questions on that, let us know on the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.